Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off call forwarding on your Android phone. So let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to click on your call dialer. The next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on carrier features. The next thing you need to do is to select the SIM card you want to turn off the call forwarding. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on call forwarding. So it's going to take you right here. So here, if you have any call forwarding number right here, it's going to be found right here. What you need to do is to simply click on it and make sure you turn it off. Instead of turning it on, make sure you turn it off right here. And with that, no call will be forwarded to that particular number again. It's that simple. So this is how to turn off call forwarding on Android phone. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.